Sometimes you just need to update the status of a whole bunch of products at once. Maybe you're moving products from draft to active before a big launch, or archiving seasonal items that are no longer on sale. Sure, Shopify gives you basic tools to manage product status, but when it comes to bulk updates, it's far from efficient. That's where the StoreRobo Import Export Suite by WebToffee comes in. Let's walk through how to bulk update product status using StoreRobo. We will be updating the status of these products under the winter collection. First, head over to the StoreRobo Import Export Suite from your Shopify dashboard. Under Export, select Shopify CSV as the template and click Proceed. Under Select Data, choose Products. Expand the data type and select the columns you want to export. We don't need all the fields to update, just the product's status. So under Basic Columns, select ID, Handle, and Status. That's all you need. Now apply filters to export only the products you want to update. For example, I'm exporting only the draft products from the winter collection. So add a collection filter, choose Winter Collection, and set product status as draft. Leave the other options as they are and click Export. Once the export is done, download the CSV file and open it in any CSV editor. If there are products you don't want to update, simply delete those rows. And for the rest, update the status to active. You could also set them to archived, depending on your use case. For now, let's set them to active so we can publish these products. Once done, save the file in CSV format. Now head back to the StoreRobo. Under Import, upload the updated CSV file. Choose your delimiter, usually it's a comma. Use the preview option to double-check the data, and everything looks good. Under Select Data Type, choose Products, then click Proceed. Under Options, select Update if products already exist in the store. This ensures you're updating products, not creating duplicates. Finally, click Import to begin the update. Once the import is complete, go ahead and check your product list. Your product statuses are now updated in bulk, cleanly, efficiently, and with zero manual edits in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.